Hi, this is the final project for CS50. Actually, this is a web application for a school or some academic places that accept students and teachers. And with this application, we can produce some invoices, and also we can get some results from our financial activities for our, for example, stakeholders. In this application, we can define students with this button here. We can choose the registration number for your name and last name. Another name, we don't have another name. Male and date of birth and current. Actually, we will see in a moment how we can add classes, seasons, objects or stuff like that. For example, we choose this. This is the name of, this is a teacher name, and that's enough for this. And now we can see the object here. It's a profile for a student, and here in management tab we can add some sessions, for example winter, summer, spring, or session seasons. We have another one, and we can choose the current. For example, here in Australia we are in spring now, and we can add some new term, for example term 5, and we can add new classes. This is a, for example, new teacher, and after that we can add some new teacher in the staff tab. Will help us to produce new teacher. For example, it's enough. For example, here, yeah, and this is a object here for teachers, and the main core of this application is producing invoices. Now we can create a new invoice. It is the main part of this application. We can choose the student, and we can choose the season that these students are study at. We can choose the term that we made it before from the management tab, and we can choose the class, and now we can choose the terms. For example, this is active, and we have the financial stuff here. For example, $10, and we will amount $50. Now it's add new invoice. Now we have a new invoice here, and we can edit it, and we can amount pay of it. For example, she can give me all that payment, and it is new balance. Actually, it's a minus, and you can have, if you want to create a result, and choose the class, and it will give you a result of the class of Basel, for example. You can save it. We have it here as a bootstrap stuff, and we can update results and view results. This is the result of all the students that produce some invoice for us. This is the final project for CS50.